back to my channel. My name is Dixie Noel and I'm gonna be doing some makeups for you today. Today's look is a somewhat attempt to try to recreate one of Robert Welsh's makeup looks. I'm such a fan of his blending and I just wanted to sit down after watching one of his videos and just take what I learned from watching that video and just see what I could do. And this is what I came up with, and I must say I feel absolutely fierce and glamorous and a little bit toxic. And also, just for reference, this is a screenshot from the video I watched. Did I do okay? Anyways, if you would like to see how I did this look, please stay tuned. Please keep watching, like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into it. Okay, and I'm just starting out with some Morphe eye primer all over the lid. Always prime. In his tutorial, he really seemed to build up the colors, like he went from lightest to darkest, so I'm going to start off with that. Okay, using my Morphe Boss Mode palette, I'm going to take a fluffy brush. I'm going to go with this shade right here, and I'm just going to blend that all throughout my crease. Ooh, that color though. And I'm really going to buff and blend that out into the eyebrow. Okay, working my way up the palette, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and also blend that into my crease. I can already see the dimension coming through. It's weird, it's such a subtle color change, but it really does make a difference. Next, I'm going in with this shade right here, and once again blending that into my crease. Ooh, yes, that's where the magic's at right there, yes. Now taking a packer brush in that same color, I'm just going to go on the outer portion of my lid. I'm just going to kind of blend that inward. Okay, and now using my finger, I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm going to put that all on my inner lid. And I'm going to take that color and drag it into the darker color of our outer lid. Now taking a small blending brush, I'm going to go in with that bright color from before. And I'm going to softly work that under my lower lash line. Taking an even smaller brush now, I'm going in with that dark green brown from before. And I'm going to tightly press that against my lower lash line. And then give that a quick blend. Okay, that's the eyeshadow done. I'm going to quickly go do my eyeliner mascara off camera and I'll be right back. And that's it for my Robert Welsh recreation makeup. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned. How do you all think I did? I didn't do every step of the tutorial. I just watched and learned and just did what I could with my face. Like, I actually feel like I learned watching the tutorial and then practicing it out on my face. I think I'm going to do a lot more of these videos in the future. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. You're familiar.